Today we are starting with gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of gametes. Female gamete ova and male gamete sperm. As you can see, this is primary oocyte. It converts into secondary oocyte and mature ovum is formed with polar bodies by secondary oocyte. Similarly, primary spermatocyte converts into secondary spermatocyte and it converts into spermatid. It is the process of gamete formation in sexually reproducing organisms. The sexually reproducing organisms contain two types of cells, that is somatic and germinal cells. Both types of cells have typical number of chromosomes, but each type has its different destiny. The somatic cells form the various organs of the body and provide a phase for maturation, development and formation of germinal cell. The gametogenesis involves two processes, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. As you can see on the screen, this is testis, epididymis, seminiferous tubule, Sertoli cells. Now, these are primordial germ cells. As you can see, it will convert into spermatogonia. Mitotic division takes place and it converts into primary spermatocyte. Again, meiosis division 1 takes place and primary spermatocyte convert into secondary spermatocyte. Again, meiosis division 2 takes place and secondary spermatocytes are converted into spermatids and spermatids are converted into the mature sperm. Now, spermatogenesis. This process occurs in male gonads or testes. The testes of vertebrate are composed of many seminiferous tubules which are lined by germinal epithelium. The cells of germinal epithelium form sperms by process of spermatogenesis. In mammals and mollusks, somatic cells lie between the germinal cells. These somatic cells are known as Sertoli cells. It is continuous process and is divided into two parts. Number 1, formation of spermatids from germinal epithelium. Formation of sperms from spermatid. Now, formation of spermatid from germinal epithelium. It is also known as spermatogenesis. The male germinal cell which produce the sperm are known as primary germinal cell or primordial cells. It is divided into three parts: multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. Multiplication phase. The undifferentiated germ cells are large and they contain nuclei. These cells multiplied by repeated division and produce spermatogonia which are diploid. Growth phase. The spermatogonial cell accommodates large number of nutrition and chromatid material. Each spermatogonial cell is known as primary spermatocyte. Maturation phase. The primary spermatocyte is ready for meiosis division. The homologous chromosomes start pairing, means synapses, chiasmata formation, crossing over takes place. DNA amount is duplicated. By first meiosis division, spermatocyte is formed. Each secondary spermatocyte is haploid. Then in this second meiosis takes place and forms two spermatids. Thus, by a meiosis division, a diploid sporogonium is produced and it is producing 4 haploid spermatids. These spermatids cannot act directly as the gamete, so they have to pass through the spermiogenesis. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.